Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can use okra juice to make your hair very long, beautiful and full. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, please hit that subscribe button to join the family and don't forget to share this video. So if you don't know, okra is loaded with nutrients and vitamin C is one of those nutrients. And vitamin C is very good for your hair because it helps to produce more collagen, which increases elasticity and reduces hair loss. Now, two other ingredients or nutrients that are found in okra are magnesium and iron. Magnesium works to dissolve calcium deposits that can occur from hard water.
So guys, let's check if it has properly infused inside our water. Okay, let's check. I think it has infused. So we are going to sieve it.
Okay, so you guys, I actually left it to stay some more before I actually start sieving it. So as you can see, it's so even difficult for the water, which is now really condensed, to pass through the sieve. So I have to use another sieving cloth so that I can press it down. So yeah.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking.
So guys, if you've been following me long on this channel, you know that my daughter has a very stubborn 4C hair, and which makes her cry a lot whenever I'm making her hair. So I decided to try this okra juice on her hair to see. I didn't add anything. I didn't add water, apart from the water that you saw I added. I didn't add any other preservative or oil or anything. It's just the okra water. I actually put the okra inside water and let it stay for some hours, and after it has really condensed inside the water, and I sieved it out and took the water. So I'm applying the okra juice now on my daughter's hair to see truly if what they're saying is true, because I've heard a lot about this okra juice and I really want to find out, because my daughter has a very stubborn hair. So if it's going to actually soften my daughter's hair by making braiding her hair very easy and less painful, let's see. Okay, keep watching. Don't forget to like and share this video if you haven't. I actually tried to smell it to see if it has any awful smell, but no, it doesn't. It has a very nice smell, if you ask me. Okay, so this is me still applying it. My daughter's face, she's not happy about it, not because it's paining her, but because it's just weird. The sliminess of the okra, she just didn't like it, you understand, and she didn't like that it was touching her. So just know that whenever you're applying this thing, that is going to get gross and messy, you understand. So make sure you're staying, or you're wearing something that you wouldn't mind it pouring on your clothes and all that, because it's going to pour on your clothes because it's slimy. So make sure you stay on a sink, and then apply, so that if it has to gush down, it has to gush down in the sink. And then after applying it, just let it stay for some time. That's just it. So I try to massage my daughter's hair so that it can be evenly distributed, so it can really enter inside her hair, inside her scalp. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see, you guys.
No secrets, 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 no secrets. You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me